Well, all this is the harness for the Bel Air, for the LS. So basically what we're doing is cleaning it all up and getting all the wires out of it that we're not going to need. So we'll run the, of course, the LS plus the tranny. So we'll use it to run that. And yeah, it's a mess of wires, but go through them all and just getting rid of all the ones we don't need. Then we'll tape up the harness, make it look nice. There's the stuff for the tranny down there, coming off that end. And I got a couple of handy guidelines. LT1swap.com. It's an awesome site to figure some of that stuff out. So guys, just got to follow along, get rid of all the wires that we don't need. And then I'll show you what we've been doing on the 53 here in a bit. We've got a bunch of stuff done on it. But just trying to get this done right now while the shop's a little quieter. There's a bunch of the wires we're discarding. And yeah, got a few to go and a few to figure out where they go once they're staying. A bunch of them I got labeled now for the injection, NAF sensor, a bunch of the ones for the engine and tranny. And so yeah, keep muddling along, and then I'll show you guys what we've got when we start to plug it all in and how we cleaned it up. Supervising, yep. Okay, we'll be back.